LifeSpace brand was started back in 2012. Since then, the brand has grown up quite quickly. We are the #1 probiotics company in Australia, and particularly popular in overseas market like China market. And we are passionate to bring premium and innovative holistic health products to the consumer.
We have a huge quality component to what we do. Being a TGA licensed facility, we're required to go through all our testing, all our checking of materials as they come through. So we use NetSuite in those steps.
We actually rely on Annexa as our technical implementation partners.
Annexa, they have the dedicated resource and expertise.
Very knowledgeable in terms of not only from the NetSuite side of things, but more particularly from the business vertical as well.
NetSuite also provide the flexibility in terms of different location of different currencies, and more importantly, everyone on the same page.
We all operate from the same interface. Everybody knows what the rest of the team are doing. When we look at sales, when we look at orders that need to be picked,
it can drive a lot of meaningful and insightful info.
So when a pallet arrives into our warehouse, it's entered into NetSuite, and our other site can see that that has actually arrived.
The whole management team can see the analysis and also data from there, and it's also the single source of truth.
In terms of the daily sales volume number, as well as the profit and loss,
we can clearly find out what is required for the day.
For decision making, and also for us to plan for the future for the business and strategy.
NetSuite has really, in growth-wise, has helped us get to the different stages of the business. If it was in a manual state trying to manage all the different aspects of the business, we certainly would not have grown at the rate that we have.
My experience with Annexa is a very professional and responsive partner, and provide us a lot of support.
It's moving us closer to a fully automated system, which is really where we want to get to.